this over here is your living and dining area. We have your kitchen space where you have one full platform bedroom that you can see is very spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Arcade Pearl by Arcade Group located in Ville Parle, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. You can have a look at the actual tower where the construction is in full swing. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now let's talk about the project overview. This project is spread across the land parcel of 1.03 acre that will have 6 towers of ground plus 8 story having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Speaking of amenities, this project has 10 plus amenities with gym, jogging track, meditation zone, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located at Shaji Rajiv Marg opposite Bhutta High School, Ville Parle, from where Western Express Highway is at a distance of 1.2 kilometers. Ville Parle railway station is at a distance of 1.4 kilometers. You have Gundavli metro station at a distance of 1.4 kilometers and domestic airport is at a distance of 2.5 kilometers. Also, international airport is at a distance of 4.5 kilometers from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now we are entering the 3 BHK of the residential project Arcade Pearl. As we enter, you can see this over here is your living and dining area. You can see over here we have your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy mealtime with your family. Also, you can see at the entrance, you will be getting a video door phone and a digital lock provided. And this over here is the space of your living area where you can place the sofas, center table and customize your TV unit. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat and in the living. You will be getting full French windows with glass facade for safety and beautiful standing balcony look. And now let's move forward. Over here we have your alley area that is entrance to your bedrooms, kitchen and common washroom. First on this side we have your kitchen space where you have one full platform on one side and opposite to that you also have space provided to place your washing machine and your refrigerator. You will be getting stainless steel sink provided in the kitchen and in the kitchen as well you will be getting full French windows with glass facade for ventilation and beautiful standing balcony look. Moving forward, over here in this corner we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Right diagonally opposite to your powder washroom is your first bedroom. You can see this bedroom is very spacious. You can place your king size bed. You can also make this your kids bedroom or your guest bedroom. You can customize your wardrobe space. You can see how spacious the bedroom is. You will be getting full French windows and glass facades, and this bedroom also has a private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, let me inform you that we are standing at the actual flat of the project, and whatever you can see, you will be getting all the things provided. As we move forward over here in this corner, we have your second bedroom that you can see is even more spacious. You can place your king size bed along with your side tables. You will be getting plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. You can customize your wardrobe, TV unit, study corner or makeup corner. You will be getting full French windows with glass facade, beautiful standing balcony look. And in this corner, we have your private washroom of this bedroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now, before moving to the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project. And then, if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 3 BHK. Right over here is the entrance of your master bedroom. As we enter, you will get a spacious foyer area that gives your bedroom 100% privacy. And as we move forward, just towards the right, we have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this over here is the space of your master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place your king size bed. You will still have space left if you want to customize a seating corner. You can customize your TV unit, your makeup corner, whatever you need. It's totally up to you. And again, you will be getting full French windows with glass facade for beautiful standing balcony views. And this was your 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Arcade Pearl. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Arcade Pearl by Arcade Group located in Vileparle, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.